Need a breath of fresh air? Nature is calling. From hidden waterfalls to wild trails, every step is a new story. Travel with nature, feel alive. Waves hitting the shore, escape to the sea, where every wave whisper peace. Walking on beach, sunset view, feel the breeze, soak the sun, live the moment. Footprints on the sand, seaside travel, ocean vibes. Welcome to Sri Lanka, the tropical island where the waves are calling. Today we hit the beach for some adrenaline pumping boat riding. From beginners to pros, the southern coast, especially 𝘗𝑕𝑔𝐻𝑚𝐴 and 𝘗𝑚𝐴 is the ultimate playground. Calm, awe, inspired, discover Sri Lanka hidden gems. From towering giant misty cascade, nature flows, wild waterfalls, wild and free. Sightseeing in the tradition of Sri Lanka. See the beautiful traditional things. You must have stress release and wonder peace. Visit Sri Lanka, wherever step leads to wonder, nature, culture and magic in every moment. Step into Sri Lanka's ancient soul, where time stands still. From scared cities to timeless stonework, every ruin whispers stories of glorious past. Sri Lanka, a land where history lives and breathes. Monk walking past 𝘗𝐵𝐴𝐵 𝘗𝑚𝐴 stone carving. There are secure road guides in Sri Lanka for travel. Then you can travel to Sri Lanka. No any negative things. Be positive. Be wonder the world of the Sri Lanka. You can visit.